Hi, I'm Patiya Pibujinda, and today I will show you how to build the mini-extruder to create the 3D printing filament. So what is 3D printer? 3D printer is the innovation that can be applied and benefit in many fields. For example, create prototype, building automated part, or hearing aid equipment. Using 3D printing can make the product design simpler and reduce material waste from the designing process. Nowadays, 3D printer prices have been continuously dropping, but the filament price still remain high. Besides that, this video will demonstrate steps to build a DIY filament that is variety of different filament types at lower cost for the growing of 3D printer communities. So to create the 3D printing filament, we need the machine called extruder, which is extremely big and expensive. Therefore, we cannot use it at home, so we'll use the mini-extruder instead. Let's start from the step of building the mini-extruder. Yay! The front part is the most important part of mini-extruder, containing two heaters to heat up and melt raw material. It also includes thermostat, which control temperature of the machine. The screw inside main tube will push raw material forward, then extrude as a uniform line via nozzle. The motor will control screw speed, and to keep a filament diameter of 1.75 mm as the standard, we need automatic feed set. And by the automatic feed set, the closer motor to nozzle support filament from falling down, and the second motor pull the filament at constant speed. The fan will cool melted filament. At last, the nozzle will create pressure and extrude as 3D printing filament. Finally, we get the 3D printing filament and the mini extruder. Next step is to use the mini extruder for fabrication of 3D printing filament. We insert raw material into the machine by the hopper and adjust the conditions. Then, we will perfectly get the 3D printing filament. We use these 3D printing filament with 3D printer to create our own desired product. Now, we can make any kind of workpiece right at home.